Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna show you this mini Lego and it's called long range tank. So this can shoot, so this actually can move up and down. These are the cannons. Don't worry if these are coming and always coming off because my one's coming off too. So I'm just going to put it like this. Can move up and down. Don't worry if these are always coming off because my one's coming off. So I'm just going to put it down. And these can twist because I'm using this Lego bit over here, but I'll show you in a second when I'll build it. So these are the cannons and now I will start building. For watching, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.